Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a drugstore makeup tutorial. So I have created this makeup look that I have on right here using all drugstore products, and the main product I was so excited to use in this tutorial was the Maybelline The Burgundy Bar palette. So I've had a few requests to do makeup tutorials using this, so I have done one today and this is what I've got on my eyes, and I absolutely love this palette. It's a really gorgeous palette. I didn't actually realise that it wasn't released in the US yet. I believe it is going to be released sometime soon in the US, but yeah, it's available just now in the UK. It has been since last year. But yeah, I absolutely love this palette. I mentioned it in my top eyeshadow palettes, and ever since then I've had a few requests to do a look using this. So yeah, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's full of really buttery shimmery eyeshadows, and there's a couple of kind of satiny matte eyeshadows just at the end there for like a transition. These shadows are so gorgeous. They're really pigmented as well. I mean, there is quite a bit of fallout with the shadows, but they're really pigmented. And yeah, this is the eye look that I created today, and I absolutely love it. I think it is gorgeous. I love cranberry shades, I love dark kind of reddy, burgundy and aubergine shades on my eyes. So yeah, I'll give you a little close up of my eye look. So that's what it looks like there. I'm absolutely loving it. So I've used that to create this eye look, and I've used a bunch of other drugstore makeup to create the rest of the look. If you want to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching and we'll just get started. guys, that is it for the makeup look. I'm really loving how this looks, and I just found out there that the Maybelline Burgundy Bar palette is actually considered a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So yeah, it's full of the kind of warm cranberry and raspberry shades that that palette has, and this one is a lot more kind of affordable, and the quality of it's really lovely. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. Remember to give it a big thumbs up if you really did love and enjoy it, and also hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye. Mwah.